In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Goodwall app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your Goodwall app, maybe the app can't open, or it is too slow, or it can't open some pages, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve these problems. If you find this video helpful, I will kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot Goodwall app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do this is quite simple. Just head over to your settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps depending on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. Now this will list all your apps. Go ahead and scroll down until you find your app. As you can see, my Goodwall app is here. You can also search for your app using the search option up here. So if you tap on your app, you can see now we are on the app info page, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back to your app and then long press on your app, and this will display app info. Tap on it and you'll be taken to the same app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and clear them by tapping on clear here, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. Now restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if the problem has been solved. In most cases, this should solve your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come back to app info page again, go to clear data, and this time around choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. And now try opening your app. However, should this not fix your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone, and search for your app, and then look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Goodwall app that might be prone to security issues as well as bugs. So once you have updated your app, this should be able to fix any issues with your app, then proceed and open. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you might need to go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh to fix any issues such as bugs that might be associated with your app. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Goodwall app. At this point now, your app should be up and running without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.